This video is about the SainSmart X WonderMaker ZR CoreXY 3D printer, a powerhouse for anyone looking to push the limits of multicolor and high-speed printing. If you are curious about the latest price or want to purchase it today, make sure to check the link to this 3D printer in the description below. Right out of the box, the ZR impresses with its massive 300 by 300 by 300 mm build volume, letting you create larger, more ambitious projects without compromise. Unlike other multicolor printers, it offers 50% more space at a significantly lower cost, making it a smart investment for both hobbyists and professional makers. One of its standout features is the Multicolor Integrated Filament System, which allows seamless 4-color printing with minimal downtime. Smart jam detection and auto-loading mean you can focus more on your designs and less on troubleshooting. The printer's precision is unmatched, thanks to its CoreXY metal frame, double-sided PI plate, and real-time flow calibration. First layers come out perfect, and consistent performance is guaranteed, whether you're printing PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, or even composite filaments. High-speed enthusiasts will love the ZR's ability to reach 600 mm per second without sacrificing quality. Its dual-fan cooling system ensures strong layer adhesion and smooth overhangs, while silent operation keeps noise levels down to just 48 dB. Wi-Fi connectivity lets you monitor prints and manage settings through an intuitive dashboard. Looking ahead, a software update will allow centralized management of multiple printers, making it ideal for workshops and small print farms. While this printer is an investment in both space and features, the quality, versatility, and speed more than justify it. If creating professional-grade, multicolor 3D prints is your goal, the ZR is worth every penny. Don't miss out. Check the link to this 3D printer in the description below and elevate your printing game today.